How does JavaScript type coercion work? Have you ever wondered how JavaScript handles different types of data? Today, we will uncover the fascinating world of type coercion in JavaScript. This process is where JavaScript automatically converts a value from one data type to another during operations. It often happens without any explicit instruction from the developer. This behavior is possible because JavaScript is a loosely typed language. This means that variables can hold any type, and types can be converted implicitly to complete operations. Type coercion mainly occurs in three forms. First, let's talk about string coercion. When you combine a string with a non-string value using the plus operator, JavaScript converts the other value into a string before concatenation. For instance, if you have 5 plus 2, the result is 52. Here, the number 2 is coerced into a string and combined with 5. Another example is 5 plus true, which results in 5 true, since the boolean true becomes the string true. Next, we have number coercion. In arithmetic operations that are not addition, JavaScript converts strings or booleans to numbers. For example, if you take 5 minus 2, it evaluates to 3 because 5 is coerced to the number 5 before subtraction. Similarly, 5 multiplied by 2 results in 10, and 10 divided by 2 gives you 5 after coercion to numbers. The third form is boolean coercion. JavaScript converts values to booleans in situations that requiring truthiness checks, like conditions. Non-empty strings or objects are coerced to true, while values like 0, null, undefined, and empty strings coerce to false. For example, if you use boolean with hello, it returns true. On the other hand, boolean with 0 returns false, while boolean with an empty array returns true. Type coercion can be implicit or explicit. Implicit coercion happens automatically by JavaScript, while explicit coercion is done intentionally by the developer using functions like string, number, or boolean. Explicit coercion gives you more control and clarity, while implicit coercion occurs behind the scenes and can sometimes lead to unexpected results. A common example of implicit coercion is with the loose equality operator, which compares values after coercing them to a common type. For instance, 5 equals 5 is true because the string 5 is coerced into the number 5 before comparison. This is why many developers prefer the strict equality operator, which does not perform type coercion. Understanding type coercion is essential for mastering JavaScript. It affects how variables behave in expressions, comparisons, and function calls. Being aware of when and how coercion happens helps you avoid bugs and write more predictable code. In summary, JavaScript type coercion works by automatically converting values between strings, numbers, and booleans depending on the operation context. This conversion allows for flexible coding but requires careful handling to ensure correct behavior in web development projects.